Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for the latest insights into the crypto world. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic, the best cryptos under $1. Are these low-priced gems worth your attention? Stick around as we break down the potential of three specific cryptocurrencies, Polygon, XRP, and Cardano. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more crypto updates. Let's get started. With crypto prices on the rise, it's still possible to find hidden gems trading for less than $1. In fact, 6 of the top 20 cryptos are doing just that as we head into 2024. But the real question is, are these budget-friendly cryptos worth adding to your portfolio? Let's take a closer look at 3 contenders, Polygon, XRP, and Cardano. First on our list is Polygon, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. While hitched to Ethereum's growth, Polygon faces tough competition in the crowded Layer 2 space. Despite efforts to turn things around in 2023, Polygon's performance has been lukewarm, up only 12% for the year. The NFT market, a key niche for Polygon, is still finding its footing. Will Polygon regain traction? Only time will tell. Next up, XRP, formerly Ripple. With a history as a crypto darling, XRP has faced challenges, primarily the ongoing SEC lawsuit. Despite an 82% gain this year, XRP struggles to break through the $1 level. The SEC case, now in its third year, poses a significant hurdle, and legal costs continue to mount. XRP remains a speculative investment, dependent on the outcome of its legal battle. Lastly, let's talk about Cardano. Often labeled a boring blockchain, Cardano remains the 8th most valuable crypto globally. Positioned as a rival to Ethereum, Cardano's DeFi strength has surged in 2023. Despite its ghost chain reputation, Cardano has outperformed, boasting a 150% gain year-to-date. Could Cardano be a sneaky addition to your portfolio in 2024? Buy, sell, or hold? These cryptos under $1 come with significant risks, and none should be a core part of your portfolio. If you're already invested in XRP or Polygon, consider holding to see if their fortunes change. However, adding to your position might not be advisable. Of the 3, the one that intrigues me is Cardano. Often overlooked, it has quietly outperformed the market. While Bitcoin rose by 160% this year, Cardano kept pace with a 150% gain. Is Cardano a dark horse for your 2024 portfolio? It's worth keeping an eye on. And there you have it, a closer look at the best cryptos under $1. Remember, these are high-risk investments, and thorough research is crucial before making any decisions. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on Smart Invest Pro. If you have other cryptocurrencies you'd like us to cover, or if you have experiences with these low-priced gems, share them with the community. Until next time, happy investing, and I'll catch you in the next video.